Hey, what's up, guys? Did a thing and was influenced on getting this. It's by CQ Toys, Hidden Wooo by Chubby Family, and the collection's called Crush on You. Oh, I'm so excited. Found this on TikTok shop. Oh my god, it's so cute. Shall we begin? There's 10 pieces. Let's go for the middle. First one. It's by CQ Toys. There's Love Letter. There's Boy on Fire. Good Morning. Number 10. Little Secret. Catching Summer. After Raining. Night Puppy. KO. See You Later. And then there's a Hidden. The Hidden is like a twofer. Like 1 out of 90. Kind of hard to get that one, I guess. And then, yeah, they're all like really cute. This is what it looks like. I like all of them. They're all really cute. First one. Boxes are hella nice. I don't think there's a pull tab. No. I think it's just... maybe. Oh, that's why. Because it's... no, this one's actually really difficult. I'm gonna ring the bell. Here's the first one. Wow, the detail. And it's pretty weighted. Crush by Hidden Wooo and Chubby Family. And Bida, if I'm not mistaken. They're always like the pull tab is on the bottom. And this one is... what's this one? Game Boy. So this one is Knockout. Whoa, this is so cute. This is actually really heavy too. Holy crap. And Game Boy comes with, or Knockout comes with a little seat right here. Ooh, really cute. Oh, it comes with a card. Oh, silica jelly too. Oh, that's cool. It comes with a quality control. Pass. And then here is the little card that it comes with. And then a little QR code. And then here is the little seat, a little cube that comes with it. That is so cute. It is kind of heavy. These are really weighted. The cube looks like a Mario thing. That's what it's supposed to emulate. It is adorable. So this is Knockout. That's the first one. Number 2 was placed upside down, which is kind of weird. Maybe it's a secret. These are really heavy too. Number 2. Ooh, it came with a little dog. Oh, it's so cute. What's this one? Night Puppy. Oh, little antenna. It's so adorable. Look at it. Oh, it's so cute. Oh my god, adorable. It has writing on the leg. I can't make it out. Is it numbers? But it's so cute. Next one, number 3. Let's see. Oh, this one's kind of dented. I don't know. When I first ordered this thing came like really like messed up, and so I like asked them, can I return it? And I did, because the whole box was demolished, smushed. They were nice enough to send me a new set. Here's the Crush again. Here's the industry. 1, 2, 3. What did I get? Oh, it's this one. After raining. It's so cute. It looks like a lemon. The flowers bloomed. It's see-through a little bit. Just a little bit. Actually really cool. Oh yeah, so there's codes on the bottom of the feet. Hard to make out. This one is 11756. It comes with a little umbrella. So cute. You have to assemble it. 1 second. There we go. So cute. They're really like weighted too, like really has a good heft to it in a good way. And then they are very weighted. Another quality control pass card. Here's the card for After Raining. Next, number 4. I'm butchering the opening process of it. Really like the boxes. What is this one? Ah! It's so cute. It's Little Secret. He's holding a balloon carrot. Cut that one open. So adorable. They're so cute. And here is the card. It reminds me of that Christmas movie, like A Christmas Story, Christmas Tale. I don't know. The one where the kid has to wear like that full-on bunny outfit. That's what it reminds me of. Oh, but he's wearing overalls and really cute, like cute bow tie. Oh, it's a little heartbroken though, but it's cute. Fun fact, I'm actually Year of the Rabbit, so I have a love for rabbits. Number 5. The tool I'm using to help me open up the boxes, it's a pointed tool. I forget what it's called, but it's meant for sewing. I have a degree in fashion design. And I still design clothes. Not all the time, but every now and then. Here's number 5. What is this one? Oh, that's so cute. This one is number 10. Oh, he's a soccer player. That's so adorable. Here's the card. I like how the card is literally the head, which is really cool. And of course it came with a quality control. I like this. This is a really cool touch to it, saying that they did a quality control pass. Next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Number 6. I really love the design, the graphic design. Simple, fresh, young. Graffiti of it. 1, 2, 3. What did I get? What did I get? What's this one? What is this? Love letter. Oh, it's locked. Nice to touch. You can see through it. It's really shiny. I don't know if the camera's picking that up. A little pencil and pad. Adorable. Really cute. Really, really cute. The card. Yep. The card, silica jelly, and quality control card. Love letter. So cute. The jelly. Never throw those away, kids. Always keep them. Because you don't want like moisture or mold in your stuff. You want to protect it. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Some of these are kind of weird, a little dented, whatever. As long as it is a proper set, I wouldn't be mad. This one's Good Morning. Oh my god, that's so cute. It's like he's gonna go camping. It comes with a little lantern. Oh, it's shaped like a frog. No. This one's Catching Summer. My bad. There's the little lantern. And then, oh, here's his little map. Oh, that's so cool. These designers, dude, seriously. They come up with like some pretty cool stuff. Got it on. So cute. The little lantern moves. And he's holding his map. Does this turn? It's kind of stiff. That's so adorable. Little adventurer. Of course, it comes with a quality control, and it passed. And then Catching Summer card. So cute. I have 3 more. Number 8. One, two, three. This one, See You Later. Skateboard. It's so cute. He has a little bag, a little satchel. It's kind of weird. It won't stay down. Oh, to the back. That's why. This one was See You Later. And tell if he has a skateboard with his name on it. Sits on it like he's skateboarding. It's so cool. I have the silica jelly, quality control, and this card. Actually really cool. These are so weighted. Number 9. So it's really weighted, which I like. Okay, and this. Oh, this one is Good Morning. Oh no. Is his antenna broken? His antenna's broken. It's legit broken. Well, that's gonna suck. Oh, it's broken. Oh, I'm gonna have to glue it. Here is little pieces. I think he went grocery shopping. Kind of cool. Little hearts in a bag. And it's supposed to sit right by him. Yeah. It sits right by him. Bummer, this piece is broken. I forgot the last 3 pieces in the box. The quality control card. And this card. His head is supposed to have this little 24-hour. It's broken. Gonna have to glue that. And the last one. Actually, I don't know if they have this set out anymore. Not sure. But let's see. So it has to be Boy on Fire. Yeah, because it does not feel like a double. Yeah, it's not a double. It's Boy on Fire. Ooh, he looks like a bad boy, like he's about to fight with somebody. Cool. He's in a suit and everything. He's ready. Quality control. Passed. Boy on fire. He's getting in a fight. He has a bruise and a band-aid on the nose. You can see it. They made it really faint. But yeah. It's cute. That's the whole set for the Chubby Cimmy Crush on You. See you guys later. Bye.